This website is going to pay you for just watching YouTube videos on this website, and you can also watch ads on this website and you get paid. As you can see on my screen, I've made about $6.4 right here on this website, and in this video right now in your face, I'm still going to make more money watching videos on this website to show you guys how it works, right? Just take note of this. My balance, my account balance right here is $6.4, and I'm going to make more in this video. So the name of the website is called wintube.com. So when you come to this website, you just need to click on here where it says get started and you create an account, right? You just have to put in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and you select which gender you are, your email address and your password. Then you click I'm not a robot, you click on create an account. Once you're done creating your account, you're going to log in into your account and you're going to be brought to a dashboard that looks like this. All you need to do is just to scroll down, right? So once you scroll down, as you can see guys, these videos here are the videos you are going to watch every day, right? Now, if you watch the first video, you're going to earn $0.61. If you watch the second video, you're going to earn 0.32. If you watch the third one, and so on and so forth, right? So I've watched this particular one, this one, and this one. So it's remaining these two for the day. So I'm going to watch this video ad. Then you're going to see if my balance is going to increase or not. So let's do this together and see if this website is working. So I'm going to click on here. So once I click on there, it's going to redirect you to another website. Just go back, just click on your back button to go back to the wintube.com website. So once you are back here, you click on that video again. And you're going to scroll down. Once you click on that, you scroll down and you're going to see the video that is available for you to watch, right? So now all you need to do is click on the video. Once you click on the video, it wants to redirect you to another website. Immediately it wants to redirect you, then you're going to click on your back button for it to redirect you back to the wintube.com website, right? So once you redirect you back, you click on the video. So you want to click on this complete.
Want to go back to.
Then it wants to redirect you to another website. You click on the back button again in your phone to bring you back. Then you click on complete again. Once you click on complete, then the website is going to refresh for you. All you need to do is to refresh the website. And as you can see, I used to have $6.4 right here, and now it has increased to $6.9. Let me watch the last video for the day, and let's see how much I'm going to be making for the day, right? So let me click on this last video. Once I click on the last video, this video is going to be shown to me to watch to get $0.52, right? So I'm going to click on the video. You click on it. Once it wants to redirect you, you click on the back button to bring you back to the Wintube website, right? So you click on the video. So that you're past 34 seconds and you have to click on this complete. When you click on it, it wants to redirect you to another website. You click on your back button, it's going to bring you back to the Wintube website. Just immediately once it wants to redirect you to another website, click on your back button on your phone and it's going to bring you back to the Wintube website. This is how it works, guys. So let's click on complete, guys. So the website has refreshed by itself. Then I'm going to refresh my own account by myself to see if I'm going to be making more money right here, right? So guys, as you can see, I've refreshed my account right here, and as you can see, I've made a total sum of $7.48 right here, right? So I used to have $6.4, now I'm up to $7.48 right here. So guys, this website is paying, right? It's working. You're making your money right here. So but I just created an account with this website. I want to be honest with you guys, and for the fact I've not withdrawn from this website yet, right? So I'm going to show you something. Click on here. So once you click on here, it's going to show you this menu right here. Then you click on withdraw, right? So once you click on withdraw, it's going to bring you to this interface. As you can see, you can withdraw through PayPal, WebMoney, Western Union, and Payoneer, right? So now I've not withdrawn from this website before. I'm just going to be honest with you guys because the withdrawal limit is 100 USD. So you have to keep working, you have to keep watching ads or keep watching YouTube videos here till your money gets up to 100 USD before it can be paid out to you, right? So as you can see, if you want it to be paid out to you through Western Union, then you're going to be increasing your money till it gets to 100 USD, which is fantastic. This one is 150 USD. This one is 200 USD. If you want to withdraw with PayPal, is 80 USD. You have to work and increase your money till 80 USD, right? If you want to withdraw with this PayPal, again, is 100 USD. As you can see, guys, and so on and so forth. With web money, 80 USD. With Payoneer, 80 USD. Just the same, right? So the limit you can increase your money to before you start withdrawing from this website is actually 80 USD. And I'm gonna keep working on this website every day till my money gets to 80 USD, so that I can try it out and see if the withdrawal process is going to be accurate, if they're going to pay me out my money, right? So guys, this is how this website works, and you can start the journey with me, try it out and keep working, so that in case if eventually I try out the withdrawal method and they pays me out, I'm still going to make a video to show you guys, yes, that I got the money from this website withdrawn into my Payoneer or my PayPal account, right? So this is what I have for you guys for today. So guys, once I come back to my dashboard right here, and as you can see, all these videos right here that I've watched for today are going to be available by this time tomorrow. So it's 24 hours. So after watching the video for the day, then you wait for another 24 hours for you to watch another video. So this is how it works, guys. And if anyone is telling you you can work today and get your money instantly, the person is lying to you. You need to be patient with this website before you can start withdrawing from this website. So this is my honest review about this website, and try it out and let me know how it worked for you in the comment section of this video below. Now, I know you got value from this video. Go ahead and click on that like button to like this video. Click on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Go down in the comment section of this video and tell me that you've subscribed, and comment the location you are watching this video from, right? So like I said, this is the end of this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video update. Keep winning, and I love you guys. Peace and enjoy.